Thomas Gonnet is lying to you about starting a SaaS agency, and here's why. And also, guys, my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it sounds crazy, and we're only now 28, but I think I can accomplish that all together and build an amazing community. And also, if you enjoyed the video, give me a like, because it helps me a lot also and motivates me a lot to making new videos and improve the quality in general of the channel and also my English. So my thoughts and my first point on it is basically that the Thomas audience, mostly all of them, are complete beginners, don't have any money to start, and also don't have any previous experience or any other sales skills related before starting a SaaS or a SMMA. So for them it will be a lot complicated to close their first client, and if for their first client they only charge $500, it won't be the ideal situation, even though they will be making money, but they won't be able to leverage a lot with that money, because if you charge like a normal SMMA 1 to 3K, you have a lot more money to invest on VAs or on media buyers to accelerate and grow your business or your SMMA. That was my point. And if you don't have any, as I said, sales skills, experience and money, for me, the best way is start a normal SMMA. And another thing that I want to say that is still happening to me to this day, shiny object syndrome. That means that when you found a thing that is more interesting than the thing that you're doing right now, it basically you change, like a bag that hops from business to business. And that's one of the first things and most important thing that most entrepreneurs have and struggle with. So guys, if you want to succeed, you have to stick to one niche and to one business model and learn as much as you can and start implementing as much as you can, because if you only learn but you don't implement nothing, you won't be able to succeed anyway. So you need to start also doing the work in the trenches and start doing your cold calls, not only watching cold calling scripts. And also guys, if you are still watching my crappy English, I appreciate it a lot. And as I said in the beginning, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, because it helped me a lot. And also my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it sounds crazy, but I think I'll complete that all together, because I think we can build an amazing community. And give me a like if you like these videos, and also you learn anything related to SMMA or entrepreneurship in general. My last thought and what I think about Thomas Gonnet and how he will be able to push their SaaS business, and they will be able to scale it to that goal that he have, that is 20K. Even though the thoughts that I've been saying before in this video about it's better to start as MMA as a beginner, I think Thomas will succeed anyway with the SaaS business, because he's not a beginner, and also he have a platform to leverage with, he have money to leverage with, and also he have knowledge to leverage with. That's why I think he will succeed anyway, because he's running ads. That for me is one of the best ways to acquire clients for your SaaS. That is basically run ads and also referral programs, and probably he will be running both. That's what I mean by you have to have leverage with money, because money enables you to run ads